Hey everyone, welcome back to another lecture in regards to VPC. In one of our previous videos, we would have seen about the reachability analyzer with which we were able to check from a particular source to a particular destination, whether we were able to reach from that source to the destination. And we saw that it supports, as the intermediate traffic, it supports VPC peering, but it does not support transit gateway. But you could create a reachability analyzer from one of your EC2 instances to your transit gateway, and it would give you a nice path in regards to how the traffic would go from your EC2 instance through its network interface to the security group, to the NACL, to the transit gateway's network interface, to the transit gateway, and so on. So something in regards to this, we also have for the network access analyzer. So I have already logged into my AWS console. I'm on the VPC dashboard in the Northern Virginia region. On the left side navigation bar under network analysis, we have already spoken about reachability analyzer. We are going to take a look at network access analyzer. And you can see when you open up network access analyzer, there are already predefined scopes that are created for you when you enable this particular service. So when you take a look at this, you can see that we already have 4 scopes, which AWS has given to us just to ensure that we can get ourselves started by looking at one of these scopes and then going ahead and creating our own custom network access scope. But you can see it, you can take a look at these 4 different ones that AWS has given us. AWS VPC egress, AWS Internet Gateway egress, you have AWS VPC ingress from the internet, and then you have all Internet Gateway ingress. And in the description, it is clearly stated, the one that we are going to take a look at is identify egress paths from all of the network interfaces within your VPC to the Internet Gateway. So this is a particular analysis that I have already done. So I'm going to take a look at this particular network analysis that I created. I ran this a few moments back, and it has given me a lot of findings. It has given me that there are 28 NACLs, there are 24 route tables, 20 network interfaces, 20 security groups, and so on within this region. And I can also just choose only the respective resources as route tables and do the filter and so on. But then when I take a look at any one of these findings, so let's say, for example, that I go ahead and choose this particular finding, I can I can have, sorry, there is a small pop-up from the bottom that I can expand. And you can see over here that from this network interface through this security group, through this NACL, through that respective route table, I'll be able to reach the internet gateway. Network access analyzer gives us a lot of information in regards to from my network interface, am I able to reach the internet? Or from my network interface, am I able to reach the transit gateway? Probably you could create one. Or from the internet, can I reach a particular network interface? So these kinds of, access related stuff on your network, you can go ahead and create your own access scopes and then go ahead and try it out as to how it works. So this gives us a lot of details in terms of troubleshooting and so on. And the same is in regards to reachability analyzer, where you can specify your source IP, destination IP, you can specify your source port and your destination port, and then you can check whether two EC2 instances can interact with each other. Whereas with the network access analyzer, it's more about whether your network interface as to how it goes through a security of defense in depth strategy through a security group, through a NACL, to a route table, to the internet, and so on. So I would highly recommend you to enable network access analyzer and go ahead and look at all of the 4 access scopes that Amazon creates for you. And with those 4 scopes, you can completely understand how to create your own custom scopes and so on. So I hope you got a really good idea in regards to network access analyzer. So with this, we have wrapped up the entire VPC section. I hope you had a great time looking through the entire section. Have a great day. Take care. See you guys.